the longer lever. There's no power to the seat, so it's like old school. Little bar underneath.
Little bar, move back.
Yeah. And if you have to adjust your steering wheel, you unlock it. You can move it in your house, or up and down, whatever you want. It's cool. You just lock it back up. When you get into a new vehicle, the first thing you do is, before you put your seatbelt on, is you get yourself all adjusted first.
Yeah, that's
a lot easier.
this is. How do you? Is this one?
Yeah, you got her. It's like moving into a new house, eh? You don't know where the light switches are.
Right away, no. Alright, so.
With the side mirror, you just want to see like the sliver of the side of the car, just like particularly the back door handle.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah. Alright.
Awesome. Okay. So now we're set. And before we put it into drive, I'm just going to get you to press on the gas pedal. Your tachometer needle, the far left gauge, just bring that up to 2 and hold it at 2. That just shows you the sensitivity of the gas pedal.
It's very sensitive.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, right on. Then you got your analog speedometer. You can ignore that because you got your digital one. It shows you every single number. Much easier to manage your speed with that one.
A lot of.
Yeah, you can ignore the tachometer. You can ignore the big analog speedometer.
Just keep an eye on that one.
The digital one, yeah.
So.
And your mirrors and all that.
Back here, it's 40, right?
Yeah. It's going to be 30 when we turn the corner, so.
30. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
The thing that I don't like is turning corners. I don't really know how to properly.
We're gonna go through all of that today for sure.
Alright, so put it in drive and then get her going?
I'm ready.
So this is the one where I just let go and you go for it.
Exactly, yeah. When you release the brake pedal, the car has its own momentum.
Yeah.
And we'll make a right turn here.
Alright.
So everybody starts at a different level of knowledge and skill or whatever. So I'm just going to watch how you drive at first, just so I get a sense of how things are, and then I work with you where you're at. See, I've had some students where turning that corner would have been very, very difficult.
They would nick the thing there?
Either nick the snowbank or turn too wide or something, so your turn was good. And the placement of your hands on the wheel should be directly apart.